Good morning, class 5. I hope you all are doing good, great, strong, healthy, and taking care of yourselves, being at home and being happy. So, today we are on English, my English folder, course book, the long one, this one, right? Great. So we'll be doing Grandpa Fights an Ostrich. Now what's an ostrich? An ostrich is a very large African bird that cannot fly, but it can run very fast. Let's read actually what happens. My grandfather Fights an Ostrich is written by Ruskin Bond, I guess. Yes, Ruskin Bond, 1934, he was born. He's an Indian author of British descent. He wrote his first novel named Room on the Roof when he was age of 17. He has played an important role in the growth of children's literature in India. He now lives with his adopted family in Landor in Missouri. Okay, so he is writing about his grandfather. Actually, what happened? So before we start this chapter, I just want to give you a basic summary of what we are going to do so that we can see what is actually happening. Okay, so that will be easier for us to understand before we go into the chapter. As I told you, it's ostrich is an African bird, large African bird. They have huge eggs also. Ostrich eggs are also very big. Okay, so let's see what happened to Grandpa on a basic summary. After that, I'm going to read this chapter for you. Okay, so let's start. Now, Ruskin Bond is writing about his grandfather or grandpa. We call him grandpapa. Papa is father and pa is also grandpa, my grandfather, short form. So Ruskin Bond's grandfather or other grandpa had worked for some time in the East African Railway before he joined the Indian Railways. That means he was working in Africa. He had an encounter with an ostrich during his service in Africa. The author's grandpa, rather Ruskin Bond's grandpa, was working in the laying of a new railway track or line. His workplace was 12 miles away from his place where he was staying. He was returning on foot one day. To save the half the distance, he took a short route through the hills. There lay an ostrich camp on this way. There was an ostrich camp. This was the breeding season. This time the eggs are laid and the male ones are very dangerous at this time. They take care of the eggs. But grandpa felt safe with his dog. Even the biggest ostrich is afraid of a dog. That's what his idea was. Now, the grandpa thought, or rather the grandpa got through the wire fencing of the farm. The ostriches were feeding some distance away. His dog chased a hare. Hare is a rabbit, a big size rabbit. He called the dog in vain jest. Then he saw a big male ostrich coming out of a bush about 100 yards away. He stood still staring at Grandpa. Soon he spread his wings and came jumping towards him. So this is just a basic summary I want to tell you about Grandpa Fights a Penguin. So we will read this now to understand. I just give you a basic information that he had come in contact with the ostrich. Ostriches are very African birds. They are very dangerous. Rather, if they come in front of you, they can chase you and they run very fast. He had an encounter. So now I am going to start reading. After that, I will read few lines and I will explain. Again, we will go through the story. Okay. Before my grandfather joined the Indian Railways, I told you in the summary, he worked for a few years on the East African Railways. And it was during that period that he had his now famous encounter. Encounter means coming in front of or meeting someone, or you get to know someone with the ostrich. My childhood was frequently enlivened by this oft told tale of his, and I give it here in his own words, or as well as I can remember them. Now he was always being told these stories frequently. Regularly he was told these stories by his grandfather. Oft is often, in his very old way of old form of speaking the story or telling him in the old form. But Ruskin Bond is trying to say write down what his grandfather used to tell him, or he'll give it in his own words and he'll try to complete the story for you. While engaged in the laying of a new railway line, I had a miraculous escape from an awful death. Now this, he's saying what his grandfather used to tell him. I lived in a small township, but my work was some 12 miles, around 19 kilometers away, and I had to go to the work site and back on a horseback. So he was working in Africa. He had gone there to lay lines, new railway tracks, and he was with that company or that Indian, the African Railways. He lived in a small township, and his workplace from the township was 19 kilometers or 12 miles away, which he used to go and come on a horseback. Clear? Okay. I will come back in the next video. Just wait.